Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's Jeff here from 10x Forex Trader. That's right. For some time now, this has been launched. The 10x Forex Trading Flow System has been launched. I want to give you an insight to what's actually possible with these J candles. I've marked up here, ladies and gentlemen, 8:30, New York. Simple, easy betting. This is fully loaded with Smart Money Concepts. For those who want to get access to smart money. Notice pre-New York Open indices, 8:30 time there. The market continues to drop, rallies back up to a zone. Most people know what this is before the sell-off begins. That's right, crushing the market. Even humans can now trade the market 24/7 with a system that just gets better and better and better. You can choose to exit here, re-entry, here, re-entry, here. Or wait till just there, or even there. Ladies and gentlemen, it is official, it's launched. If you want access to the one and only 10x Flow Trader, this is NAS100. This is New York. You can see -5 there, ladies and gentlemen. If this is you that trade New York, or you can want to trade London, let me click on something else, make it even easier. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. All you have to do is line this up. Boom. Danger zone. Come in for the market time we want to trade. We do absolutely nothing. Wait for a pullback. It goes down. Comes back in. Those people who know about the fair value gaps, comes back and where it goes boom. And we take advantage of this incredible market, ladies and gentlemen. You can exit at any point you wish. Taking advantage of such opportunities. If this is you, are you ready to commit to a better opportunity that can come your way? Ladies and gentlemen, enough. It's officially launched. Some people have had access to this, and now some good friends of mine are completely crushing it in the market. Have a great day, and if you're one that wants access, see you at the top. Bye for now. This is Jeff.